Hey there, everyone. In truth, I probably will be talking to a party of one here, but recently some family members who I love very dearly um, had this accordion, and I was interested in playing, so they gave me it, and I'm very thankful for that. These videos will serve as my journey through my accordion playing. I have very little experience, and I hope to grow that over this. So these will just be kind of long form videos so that I can potentially look back on my progress. And, if any of my friends are looking at this, they can have a laugh or two, I guess. But anyway, just to do a sound check right quick, this first one might not see the light of day. I might just send it to my friend. They go, the audio, you might want to get a mic. But for now, thank you, John, for the Samsung. And we'll pray its mic is good enough. Anyway, I'm just going to test the pipes. So.